Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the correct Google account. This is critical because contacts live per account. Next, enable contacts sync in settings so the phone pulls cloud data. Once done, force a manual sync to start retrieval. Make sure your phone has network access and enough free storage. Without space, sync can fail. Finally, open the Contacts app and use the account filter to show only the Google account. This immediately reveals whether restored entries are appearing. Now, on the web you can restore contacts to a previous state within 30 days, choose a restore point that predates the loss, then sync your phone. If you exported a vCard before, import that VCF file directly into Google Contacts and then force sync. Make sure to check trash for accidentally deleted contacts and use the merge tool to resolve duplicates, since merging can hide apparent losses. Once you finish these steps, your phone should display restored contacts. After the next sync, finish by forcing a full sync and then rebooting the phone. Reboot often clears transient errors. If entries remain missing, clear contacts, storage, cache, and data, then re-enable sync so Google can repopulate the app. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account. Make sure two-step verification or app passwords aren't blocking access. As a last resort, import a local backup VCF file. If you hit an unexpected problem, check account activity and try restoring from an earlier Google Contacts restore point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.